Take a look at the 2019
Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.